Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. So back to the old Jeep Grand Cherokee '07, which is 2005 through 2010 body style. Yesterday I jumped in here and everything was fine until I went to put the windows up, and the windows would not go up, and my back windows wouldn't go down, and nothing was working. Then I realized my seat, power seats were not working, and my door locks were not working. So I went and looked online and seen which fuses were for the windows and all that stuff, and I pulled out, and it's on the second, I don't know, this won't even fit in there. It's like the second bank. I mean, this wasn't the problem. So my fuses were fine, and so I went up and talked to a guy who's done work for me in the past on this, and I asked him if there was a main fuse in one of these boxes that controlled the accessories in the cabin. And I tried to look online, and I watched videos, and I just wasn't getting anywhere. And he said it was my door. From opening and closing my door, it broke a wire in my door, and he's going to have to go and do some testing with polarity and this and that. So I came home and I started checking all these fuses. These were all fine, and then I was looking. These were good. Then I got to this one right here, and look what it says. I don't know what ACC delay means, but it says seats and locks, and those two were not working. So here's the old one, and you could clearly see in the corner that right there it's not connected anymore. So I bought a new one. It is a, get a glare. There's the number on it, JCAS 40BP. And I plugged it in right here, and voila. So for some reason I had a power surge somehow. I don't know how. My back tail light's been acting funny lately. Maybe, I don't know, it has something to do with that. I don't honestly know. But if you're having a problem and your windows won't go up, it's in this bank. It's the first row, the second one back, 40 amp. It says right here it's fuse number 8 in this panel. It is right there. ACC delay must have something to do with the windows. But so there you have it. Hope that helps somebody. I wish the guy that works on cars every day for a living would have known that and saved me a lot of grief. So thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please consider hitting like and subscribing. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I've been at this for a couple years, and it's just slow rolling, and it's not very motivating anymore. Have a good day.